Good morning, my dear grade 8 students. Today, I will show you how to make Rangoli art. In this artwork, you will need the following materials: bond paper, a pencil, a glue, and different colors of glitters. Let's get started. Step number 1. Sketch your design lightly using your pencil. Number 2. When you are happy with your design, finalize the outline with heavier lines. Step number 3. Use glue to outline your design. Step number 4. Fill in your design using your glitters with different colors of your choice. And this is our finished product, our very own Rangoli art. Enjoy doing your artwork. Thanks for watching.